Welcome. If you want to show off your Facebook profile right on your Roblox account, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to add your Facebook link to your Roblox profile using the new update, all from your PC browser. Let's get started and make your Roblox profile even more connected. First, open up your favorite browser and head over to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings easily. Now, look to the top right corner of the Roblox homepage. You'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all your account settings. Click on the gear icon to open the drop-down menu and then select Settings from the list. This will take you straight to your account information page. Once you're in Settings, click on the Account Info tab if you aren't already there. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Networks. Here, you'll see options for different social platforms, including Facebook. In the Facebook section, you'll find a field where you can enter your Facebook link. Type or paste your full Facebook profile URL into this box. Make sure the link is correct so your friends and followers can easily find you. After entering your Facebook link, look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom or next to the field. Click Save to confirm your changes. Roblox will update your profile, and your Facebook link will now appear as a clickable icon on your Roblox account, making it easier for others to connect with you on Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully added your Facebook link to your Roblox profile using the newest update on PC. Now, anyone visiting your profile can click the Facebook icon and go straight to your page. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can link their accounts too. Thanks for watching and enjoy your enhanced Roblox experience.